Hi everyone, I hope you are doing well. Today we'll skip out hash fix or hot salt form of DropBox. We click on settings. Then we click on apps, default apps, app settings. Here you will search about DropBox. In this page of app info you will click on first stop and you will click OK. Here you will enter to storage. Here you will click on clear cache. In the end you will turn off your phone and you will wait a moment to restart your phone again to fix that problem. So that's all. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time and thank you for your watching.